Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect WIX to Omnisend. Alright, so first up, log into your Omnisend account. Now go to the top, click on Apps. Okay. Now once it loads, you gotta scroll all the way down and find the section Connect Your Store. Okay, and here click on View All Apps. Wait for it, and as you can see here, we have WIX. So what you'll do is just click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on Connect Now, or read the description right here, and maybe read what is Omnisend for WIX. Okay. And once that's done, go back to the top, click on Connect Now. Connect the store. Wait for it. Then just go ahead and find the site that you would like to connect to Omnisend. Okay, for example, this one right here, I'm just going to click on Select. Wait for it, and just do make sure that you have the upgraded version or your WIX site got a custom domain. Now, after this step, you will now go ahead and click on Agree and Add. And once the app is connected, you get to choose if you want to use Omnisend for your WIX bookings website or WIX store. All right, just basically select one option, and once done, click on Create or Connect Omnisend account. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.